Merry Christmas, friends. This is Nikki, and I know I have been MIA this month, but it has been for good reason. But I could not let Christmas go by without saying Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas. So let me show you what I've been into. So friends, first let me say thank you so much to you all for giving me grace in this month of just being MIA so that I could really round out my year in a great way. It has been such a tough year. So what did I do? I took the month off. I really scaled down my workload, my commitments, really changed up things so that I felt rejuvenated for this month. And one of the things was having a staycation at this beautiful beach house, and it was just amazing to just step away from my environment and have time to just come to this beautiful, safe place here. And it was so quiet. I was able to relax. I was able to laugh. I was able to be festive and merry, and it just really was needed. And so we really enjoyed being able to have some downtime, and it's amazing what this did for me. And this is kind of a little tour of the beach house because it's just beautiful. It's one of the prettiest, most efficient places that I can safely say that I have ever stayed in. And so if you're ever coming to my town, I will link the information below because it really is a beautiful place. I found it on Vrbo. The owner is great. He was really kind of just always there for you, very quick to respond, so I was happy with it. Of course, I bought my Christmas tree from home because we were here for almost a week, so I wanted it to be, real festive. And so it was about just relaxing, being out of the environment, but in a safe place because you know the times, and just being able to think and laugh, and it just really was needed. And so what I loved about this house, I'm going to show you a little tour, but what I loved about it is up top it had an area where you could just really see over and see everything. I didn't spend much time up here. The mid deck is where I basically stayed. And although this house did have every amenity you could think of, I bought my holiday mugs and my Scentsy so that I could have the holiday scents going on around the house and just the things that really, made it festive for the holidays. So that was fun. That was a little fun touch there. But this house really was not missing a thing. And what I love there were just so many little neat just places to go and just nap or hang out or whatever it is you wanted to do. This one right here is right outside of the bedroom on the lower deck. It's nice and shaded, great for morning coffee, really beautiful. This is really a great place too for families. When I was, how you get a rental and then you just start looking and thinking, and I was like, this would be great for, my family to come, even though I know we're in my town. Even if they came in, this would be neat, for the summer or something to be closer to the beach. But what I really loved is the organization. They had everything labeled in the kitchen, and so you knew where everything was throughout the home actually. And so it was easy to put things back or to find things that you needed, and they really were thorough throughout this kitchen. They had every appliance you could think of, every cooking tool you can think of, servingware, and of course I love that Martha Stewart blue. It had beautiful colors, but that was just really an asset here because they just really took their time to think out this home clearly. But I had so much fun going through all the cabinets and looking at it because I was like so impressed. I had never rented a stay that was had every single thing from serving dishes to glassware to the little office, even 2 dishwashers to make sure you didn't have to wash any dishes. I love this house. And so this is in the kitchen also. They had a little office area, which I wasn't going to do any work, so it really didn't get any use. But I just had fun kind of peeping in the drawers to see kind of how they organized it, because I thought, they just really put a lot of thought in making sure that you had everything you possibly needed. And even when I rented the place, I didn't even think about all of the details that they had thought of, and it didn't, when I got there, it was just such a treat to see how special the place really was. And I love that I actually have this cookbook also, so I thought that was cute that was sitting there. I love, of course, the coffee station, and that they took time to have a Keurig and a kind of a traditional coffee pot. So depending on, everybody loves something different. And it just was a really well-stocked home. It just was really well stocked. I mean, they had speakers that went through the house, so I could play Christmas music throughout the house. And there was nothing that I could think of that they did not have. So I was just super impressed by this. And it was just really, friends, it was just really something that was needed. I mean, we really needed this. And so this was one of the fun things that I got to do, and I'm just taking you through now just really quick to show you some of the bedrooms, because this bedroom here I thought was really neat, and especially if you have kids, because this would be, I think, a fun room for kids to hang out in. So I thought that that was really cute. And again, friends, I will put the link to where I found this house. It's in Charleston, more of what we call the Isle of Palms, where the beach is, but it's a nice quiet area, and it's just really great if you just want that nice getaway. And so the tree, I kind of threw it up. I didn't, go the extra mile to have, just this, special decor, but I just wanted to have the vibe. So another thing that I did this month was I made Christmas stockings for my friend girls, and I really had such fun doing this. And I went to Hobby Lobby, and they had these ornaments with the stilettos. I thought they were super cute, so great for that friend girl's gift, And then I found in Hobby Lobby also these beautiful, fun stockings. So I thought this would be fun to put together. And so I hung the shoe over one of the pom-poms, and it was so cute. And I filled it with, I'll show you actually, I got some soap, which I thought that would make it smell good. I also, from Bath & Body Works, got champagne toast. I also got Rihanna's hand lotion. I found a good deal online with that. Of course, sanitizer. We have our sanitizer day, so I thought that was perfect. Along with lip balm that were in these fun little kind of mojito and daiquiri flavors, and you shake them and they made noise. And one thing you'll notice about the stocking, I tried to put as many consumables in there so that they didn't have clutter. A lot of times when you have stockings, you have all these little things that just kind of, I didn't want them to have junk. I wanted them to have things they could use. I found online this champagne popcorn and wine infused popcorn. I thought that was a fun girlfriend's type of gift. And of course, a mug for all of those kind of girl night Zoom calls, so everybody could have their kind of cocoa mug. And then this is a touch tool that I thought was so right for the times. And I love that it was 3 because I was making 6, so I got 2 packs. And it's great to not have to touch things while you're out, like if you're using the keypad in the store or touching doors. It's just really a great tool to put on your keychain. I've been loving mine. And then also a little massager. And lastly, a cheese tasting book. I thought this was cute to put into the stockings. I found this in the dollar spot at Target, and I thought that'd be a lot of fun.
A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. Take me away, Christmas Day.
So another fun thing that I did this month was I did a DIY advent calendar. I went on Amazon, found these cute little bags. I thought, how neat would it be to go get miniature perfumes and put one in each bag, break up the sets, and then hang them on the tree as a little advent calendar. And I thought this would be so great if you have teenagers, whether kind of male or female, and just kind of create these little baggies and hang them on the tree, let them pick one each day. I've been, by the way, having such a great time. My granddaughter Amelia has been here for the past couple of weeks. She'll be here through the first week of January, and that's another thing that I have been doing, is spending a lot of time with her. But again, that was a lot of fun putting that advent calendar together. And then of course we have been playing a ton of games, and Categories is the one that I have been winning at, I have to tell you. And of course I've been overdosing on my eggnog. So friends, that is what your Nikki has been up to for the month of December. I feel great. I'm excited about the new year and about this channel and my At Work with Nikki channel, and bringing you some great content and connecting back with you. I hope you all have a Merry Christmas. I love you. Tell the family I said hi. If you are home alone, I hope you are lighting a candle, have a beautiful drink by your side, and really just enjoying the day. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.